Let's check this baby out. Tomahawk. It made you hungry, baby. It made me hungry. Don't make you hungry. All right, we're back. We have an amazing tomahawk from Made You Hungry. Check this out, it's a prime. This thing has been sitting for 10 minutes. It was so marbled. I was so impressed with this tomahawk that you gotta try it. So let's cut into this. If you didn't hear the baby in the background, thank God, but I'm sure you did. Look at that, perfectly cooked, hot as hell. Let's cut this up here. All right, we're cutting it up here. Good. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of salt on it at the end. Finish it with some salt. Then we made that chimichurri. I'm going to throw this chimichurri on here. Be generous with it. And then that's what she looks like. We'll see you next time.